can see your bags under through your helmet. Hot cup of joe?
Yes. How are you gonna make it if I'm on my bike? Love you.
I love you too.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ooh, squeaky little belt. So today we are not at the shop. We are at Bobby's dad's auto body shop. So it's a collision center. They're letting us take the STi in here and do some work on it. Today we're gonna get all prepped up for paint, and I don't know when it's gonna be sprayed. So I don't know. Let's just get this thing done. Let's get it banged out and see what happens. So I just been going through, getting everything sanded down. Here's the hood, fender, bumper, hood scoops down there. We do have to do some body work right there on the hood, right there as well. We do have a crack on the bumper to fix and some filler to throw in right here and right there. Other than that though, we are almost ready for some primer. So all of these parts here we hit with 320 grit. This fender we're gonna spray as well because we do have a little chip right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down with 800 grit, and then we're gonna pull everything off. And I don't think we're gonna be blending anything because they do have obviously a full paint room there. They can tint everything to the proper color. If it needs to be blended, we will blend it, but I don't think as of right now we're gonna be blending anything at all. So we got everything cleaned up. I'm gonna run through one more time, just finish up scuffing all of the glossy areas. So a little bit on each fender. This hood looks like it's good to go. So a little bit on the fenders, quite a bit more on this bumper and like the fog light areas. All down here, we got quite a bit to do. And then as soon as we are done scuffing everything up, we can move on to the filler. This would be really nice to have.
What? This?
This booth, dude.
I'd rather have this than that.
You would?
Fuck yeah. This is so much bigger.
Yeah, it's huge in here. All right guys, so we got everything in the paint booth. We're gonna slap down some primer and then it has to dry overnight. So we'll probably come back tomorrow and get everything sanded and painted. We ended up making a ton of progress on the STi bodywork today. It's so much work than I had ever really imagined. I mean, I've done a few little things in the past, but not anything like we are doing right now. So pretty much anything that is glossy, all inside the fog light areas, if anything's glossy, the paint isn't gonna stick. So a ton of little sanding and scotch brightening, all that good stuff. Yeah, it's been a long process. Today I was sanding for probably, see, I got there at 6:30, 8 hours straight of just standing, just like this. Not all that fun, but it's gotta be done to get this thing looking right. Huge shout out to Bobby's dad, for letting us use your shop. Really appreciate it. And huge shout out to all the guys there for kind of showing me the ropes on how all this is done. It's kind of fun to learn. Maybe one day we can get a paint booth set up at home and spray some stuff out there. That'd be really dope. I'm not exactly sure when this car is gonna be finished. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I don't really know. All I know is I want it done right. I don't want any issues whatsoever. If it takes a week, it takes a week. If it takes a day, it takes a day. I'm not all that worried about it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. Really hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow.